I mean, first impression, from the outside, it looks perfectly fine.
1950s colonial with a ranch mashup.
We're going to visit the Fitzpatricks, Colin and Jessica, to check out their house.
They got 2 kids and a dog.
Hi, guys.
Hey!
How cute is this house?
You guys don't need us.
Definitely doesn't look like a Frankenhouse from the outside.
But you'll see why it is a Frankenhouse.
All right, well.
Yeah, let's go. We've been in this house for about 6 years.
1951, maybe it was built. And we purchased it, I think, from the 3rd owners.
When we bought, we loved the area, we loved the backyard, we loved the curb appeal of the house. It was only 1,400 square feet, but at that time, it was just Jess and I.
The fact that we have 2 kids and a puppy, now it feels quite small.
Okay, so there's...
Holy stairs. This is we walk in the doorway, bam, stairs. There's a doorway that's blocking
our kitchen.
Yeah.
The people that lived here before, they added the stairs to the middle of the house and added a half bath and the 2 rooms upstairs.
So how is it when you have guests come in and entertain? Like
Try to catch people before they come in the front door to get them into the mudroom because of this.
We call it the Great Divide.
Let's go in the family room and talk about what's going on in here.
This is kind of the hub of the house. It's completely blocked off to the kitchen.
We have both large families. I entertain. I want to have everybody here.
Yeah.
It's typical with how the layout is.
Yeah.
I'm food running, getting drinks for everybody. Hearing the laughter from the other part of the room and not being included in that is...
A knife in the chest.
Yeah,
Tell me more about the functions of your kitchen.
It has its problems.
It's a sad thing for me because, as you can see, the kitchen table has 2 chairs.
Yeah.
We really can't fit more than that in this space.
All right, what's the deal with this light happening? This is very interesting.
It was there.
I feel like that's a 90s light fixture, while this one's a little older. But we've just kind of been dealing with them.
But you can tell the floor is extremely outdated. Brown tile. They probably updated the countertops, but that was it.
And you have mini cabinets right over here.
I think these are the smallest cabinets I've ever seen.
They're
little guys.
They're small. We have to walk by the bathroom to get to our bedroom. It's the only full bath in the house.
Mike, are you keeping count of the different floor
we're
types
at,
that
like,
we've seen?
5 right here.
5?
Some porcelain tile here, your original hardwood.
There's a marble slab
saddle, and then you got some another porcelain.
Yeah, there's more.
Well, actually, I saw a carpet on the stairs, too.
Yes.
Like this hallway
I know.
is bigger than your bathroom.
Correct.
I call hallways, if not designed right, a waste of space.
Okay, let's check out the bedroom.
This is our bedroom. Our bedroom now, it probably was a study, maybe, that added a small little, I call it a broom closet.
What?
And you can't even shut the door.
Oh, no.
That's a hazard.
Yes.
This is wrong. So there's this closet space. There's no room here.
I wouldn't even
Kitchen's
call
right
this a
behind me.
primary suite.
I know.
It's just another bedroom.
Yeah, it's not a suite.
You guys need a sanctuary.
So I'm hearing entertain.
Eat, drink, be merry with the family.
Eat, drink, and be merry.
If we transform this house, we're going to be able to have a lot more people over celebrating milestones.
So the last big piece of the pie is, what is the budget?
Yeah.
We've worked hard our entire lives, so we're ready to change our, quality of life.
Right,
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think our budget's about the 200,000 range. Okay. It's worth it because this is our home.
Yep.
We want to stay here. We have our family here in the surrounding town.
Are there any specific design aesthetics?
We're not too flashy.
Okay.
Right. We don't like colors that are like in your face. We just want welcoming, warm, comfortable.
Okay. It can be risky when clients don't know what they want. All they said is that they aren't flashy. And I honestly don't think they know what their design style is. So I'm gonna have to trust my gut.
That's why we're here. That's why they hired us.
This is an opportunity for you to trust fall into our
Yes.
hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am very confident that we're gonna make it something super special for you guys.
Awesome.
A house that you can grow into. Wait, this is crooked.
Really?
Yes, really.
Hello.
Oh, hi guys. Today, we can present to Jessica and Colin their layout options. This is very important to us.
Nice to see you guys.
How you doing?
Welcome to the studio.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Let's just go over your wish list. Entertaining space, primary suite safe haven. A bathroom was a dream for you guys, correct?
Yeah.
And then a bathroom upstairs for the kiddos.
Right.
So this is what I would do for the first floor. You walk in the front door. Rather than it opening into the family room, we're actually closing the family room off.
Yeah.
The back of the house.
That wall that's coming down.
Yes.
Wow.
Where your bedroom is now becomes your kitchen.
Right.
You're now seeing all
of
the
it.
way through your
Right.
house.
Exactly.
You're now can be in the kitchen and a part of the conversation.
Wow.
No more missing
It's gonna
out.
be a big space.
What used to be the family room, hallway, and catch-all space will be a primary suite. And we'll keep that wood-burning fireplace that was already there. So you have a bedroom, a full bathroom, and a walk-in closet all to yourself.
That makes complete sense.
Let's go over your second floor.
Okay.
What we would like to do is get you a full functioning bathroom. And the way we achieve that is by basically dormering out your roof. Tub, shower.
That's everything the kids need. Amazing.
You don't have to give them a bath downstairs.
Carry
and
them
lug them
upstairs.
upstairs.
Right.
Yeah.
This completely changes the dynamic of the way you use your house.
Yeah.
Ball game changer,
Yes.
right?
This all looks amazing. We love the fact how it maximizes. There's no dead zone like we have now.
Right.
We're looking at a 12-week construction schedule, and it fits within your budget.
What do you think? You're the boss.
Yeah, I mean, I think that looks great. I mean, I'm getting a sink for myself, so
Yeah.
whatever else is there is
And a
just
soaking tub.
bonus.
Can't wait to see what happens.
The Fitzpatricks were living this boxed-in life. There it is. Nice. Colin and Jessica were missing milestone moments because the house was so chopped up.
Let me show you how it's really done.
We don't want them to miss another moment.
Yeah!
See how wide open it is?
It's gonna feel much bigger in here. It already does.
But we've got a long way to go. Colin and Jessica are staying with Jess's parents, and they need to get back in the house in 12 weeks. We're gonna get to work giving them everything that they want.
The wall used to come straight to here, closed narrow staircase, so we opened it wide up.
Yes.
What a difference. You can actually move. Before, you used to have an opening to the living room here.
Yes.
There was a wall here,
Yes.
so you couldn't see any of this.
I'm just blown away right now. It just feels wider.
Oh, yeah.
I just hope that once everything is installed, it still feels spacious. Colin and Jessica's home was only 1,400 square feet. We needed to make better use of the space, especially for storage. In the kitchen, the cabinets going in are larger, giving them double the storage space that they had before. And upstairs, we built out a dormer to fix that tiny slanted bathroom they used to have up there. Now, it's gonna be a full bathroom for the kids. For the design here, the tile is a bright clean feature, and the consistent white oak flooring adds a natural element to the more modern touches. We have 1 week left. Based on the progress, we have to move quickly. Dad Butler's worked with the Venetian plaster. Ideally, it would be nice if things were a little further along so I can start getting the house ready for them. Someone drilled a hole through this tile. They fixed it. All hands on deck. We gotta get going. The new layout maximized every single square foot. Oh, this is pretty. It's like doing surgery on these homes and putting the heartbeat back into it. Ta-da.
Here we are.
I see Mike and Denese.
Hey, guys.
Are you guys ready?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
How does it feel to be back?
The feelings that we're having right now.
Yeah.
We're home.
Yeah. What do you
Yeah.
think you're gonna see in there?
Honestly, I'm picturing our old house.
I don't think we need to delay this anymore.
Can we go in? Like, let's go. Like, I want to go. Ready?
Go.
Go ahead.
Ladies
Go.
All right. Oh my God! Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Remember the wall used to be here?
Yes.
Oh my God.
My gosh.
And on the other side was
know.
your family room.
I know.
Yes.
We blocked that off.
And you can see all the way through your house.
I know.
Yes. Oh
Okay.
my God.
Yes.
And this was your kitchen.
Amazing.
Our mini kitchen table. It was right here.
Yeah.
If the chair was out, you couldn't walk.
We don't need to.
what
You
you're
don't need to
talking
remind
about.
us about that. The color of the walls, how it kind of reacts to that sunlight that comes in through that window.
I could have gone bold in here, but I just wanted to honor what you wanted.
Right. Beautiful.
Oh my God. There are pictures of us strewn about, and it's like, is this ours?
If you remember, this used to be a wall.
And this is so
This is
light and
so
open.
light.
The flooring is consistent now.
I love this.
Okay, there's one thing I want to touch on in this room.
Okay.
This Venetian plaster wall.
Love it.
And the texture really works.
I decided to also incorporate some natural wood tones
Yeah.
to give it a more cozy feel.
I'm picturing our Christmas tree right
Right
there
here.
next to the fire.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Long winter's nap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I sit down?
Yes.
Do
let's
whatever
just
you
test it
want.
out. Let's test it out real quick.
Your house, guys.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
Which leads me to your kitchen.
Let's
do
check it out.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right. Oh my.
Oh my God. Oh my
at
God.
this. Oh wow. Okay, we've got our island. We've got our kitchen. I don't know what it used to look like.
This is your old bedroom right here. You couldn't see through your house.
Oh my God.
I love everything about this kitchen.
Look at the lighting.
The lighting
oh my
is
goodness.
beautiful.
The fixtures. Oh my God. Look at.
I know. It looks amazing.
Oh my God.
Storage, right?
I love this.
Functional.
Does that match this? Everything matches. It's a real house. It's a real
Jess.
house. Like, look at, we can see our beautiful backyard and watch the kids.
Hold on, just look. Look at the size of what our living area is right now.
Oh my gosh. Look at the island. Look at that. What is that? What's that
the bench
called?
seat.
The bench
The
seat.
bench seat.
The bench seat.
Just four chairs.
This is a custom-built island. Check this out.
Look. The storage underneath, but that means
So much to us. Like,
much. I mean, the design is beautiful.
There's a lot of movement. There's a
Beautiful.
lot of texture. The velvet movement speaks to the backsplash.
But it's not flashy.
Right.
But it's so warm, it feels like home.
there was no place for us to fit our family in the old kitchen. And now there could be so many of our family members and friends comfortably seated all together, sharing the same experience. It's exactly what we wanted.
I love this.
There is more where this came from.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Look at these pictures.
This came from your window.
That was our window. That was in our old kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, I look so skinny in all of these.
Just,
Oh
Your new primary suite.
my god.
oh my gosh.
Colin.
Tell me what you wanna do. This is our life and it's looking yeah. This is our life and it's looking bright. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh boy,
Oh my God.
look at this.
You can feel it if you let go. This is our life and it's looking bright. Yeah.
This is our room. That's our fireplace.
We don't wanna go down. You can feel it if you let go.
I love this. I love this. There's space. This is a whole new,
Refined style.
this is a new house.
Where we laid our head down to rest every night. That wasn't a bedroom.
No.
This is a bedroom.
Yeah.
And then we open this up.
Right.
And gave you a walk-in closet.
Oh,
Look
boy.
at
This is beautiful. Jess. I'll let her this is Jess's closet. This is Jess's
But
closet.
you remember, it was just, you just had a dresser. You didn't have a lot of storage.
No. This is
Everybody can fit in
amazing.
there.
So this is 3 times the amount of storage that you had before.
Yeah. I love it.
We're not done yet.
Let's do it.
All right. Oh my God.
My.
Oh my God.
Look at that tile, Jess.
This is like a spa.
This
This
is
is like
a
a
spa.
luxury spa.
It's very calming. It's
This is gonna really change our quality of life when it comes to getting ready in the morning, or even.
It's gonna change the way I feel about myself.
Yeah.
Having this place to get ready and know that it's for me is amazing.
yeah.
Seeing her like that is getting me emotional.
Because when do we do stuff for ourselves?
I know.
This is really a gift.
You know, just being able to have a place where you can disconnect a little bit. It's a necessity.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not done. There's one more. Let's go upstairs and see your old tiny powder room.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
All right.
Go ahead.
Look at the stairs, Colin. These are beautiful. Do I go in?
Yeah, go right in.
This is too nice for the kids.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
When I walked in our old half of the bath, I hit my head.
This is the only area that we popped out and gave you 50 more square feet.
It's really gonna make it so much easier. This is their area.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, our area downstairs, their area up here. This is kind of everything that we were thinking.
My heart is full because their whole life is going to change for better. Just to see like how their new life is gonna pan out, I just might invite myself over.
A big thing for Jess and I was having a place for our family during the holidays. You took everything that we kind of wanted for our kids and for our family in the future. I mean,
And ourselves.
yeah.
And you guys just knocked it out of the park.
Thank you for trusting us.